I'm Marty Lynch. I live in Hot Springs, and I'm a member of the Garland County Master Gardener organization. I've always been interested in gardening and flowering, and I'm a physical therapist, and I worked at the Hot Springs Rehabilitation Center, and we had a greenhouse up there. And I retired in 2015, and I wanted a greenhouse of my own. And I looked at greenhouses and catalogs and all around, but we really liked the way the Yoderbilt Greenhouse looked because it fitted into the environment. And it came constructed, you know, they delivered it. At that time, we put a concrete base down for our greenhouse. And the guy that delivered it, he just brought it and set it up on the concrete floor. And so there it was, ready for me to use.